Low country men have been sentenced for their roles in a conspiracy to straw purchase a firearm. Authorities say an investigation revealed 26-year-old Noah Fowler purchased a firearm for 25-year-old Joshua Turner, who was prohibited from purchasing and possessing the item. Fowler, who was employed as a correctional officer at the Berkeley County Detention Center at the time of the purchase, falsely certified on the ATF form that he was purchasing the item for himself. Special Agent Alicia Jones with the Department of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms emphasizes the danger of straw purchasing, saying, quote, "Straw purchasing is a dangerous tactic that circumvents our laws and puts guns in the hands of prohibited individuals. Whether you are the prohibited individual in possession of a firearm or the individual who lied to supply that firearm, both considered threats to public safety and both face serious consequences."